Welcome to the Accounting Program Preview, where we will give you a rundown of the various program streams you can take within accounting here at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Sarah McMath. I'm an information specialist here, and I'll be facilitating the session today. Okay, so there are 4 accounting program streams to choose from. Both the Diploma in Accounting and Certificate in Advanced Accounting will help you qualify for entrance into the CPA's Professional Education Program, or the PEP program. In addition to this, they will both help you to progress through various levels of an organization, from entry level to the top executive position in any type of organization. Our Diploma in Advanced Accounting and Finance and our Certificate in Advanced Accounting and Finance are designed for those preparing to write the CPA's National ACAF examination. These programs are aimed at those looking to apply for junior and intermediate level accounting jobs in business, not-for-profit, government, as well as CPA supervised positions in public accounting. And we'll talk more on the ACAF in a moment. Our accounting programs are offered in formats designed to meet your needs, availability, and learning preferences. So you can choose from online self-study, in-person part-time or full-time, or blended. For our online self-study format, it provides continuous bi-monthly intake, so you can start anytime throughout the year. For convenience, you don't have to worry about being present at a specified time or day, and you can log in and do your coursework when it's convenient to you. Those taking an online self-study format can either work at the course pace or accelerate through the course and finish ahead of the posted course end date, as early as 2 months and a day post-course start date. We do advise students to anticipate dedicating about 9 to 12 hours per week per course to make sure you have time for readings, online discussions, videos, and assessments. If you're taking an in-person course offering, you can choose to study part-time. 3 hours in person a week is when you'd be attending. Blended, which would be a combination of in-person and online, or our fast track option, which would be a full-time equivalency. All in-person courses are held in Hamilton at our downtown campus. And you can also choose to mix and match learning formats if you prefer. There are many courses to choose from within the streams, from introductory financial accounting to economics, and you can visit our site to learn more about these courses. By completing the accounting program, you will receive a certificate or diploma from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, courses completed under the accounting certificate or diploma can be used to work toward your CPA designation or to prepare you to write the CPA Advanced Certificate in Accounting and Finance, or the ACAF, national exam. It's important to know that the CPA has just discontinued the ACAF program. As such, the program is being phased out, but students near completion of the ACAF certificate will have an opportunity to finish outstanding coursework and write one of the last ACAF exams in September 2019, January 2020, or February 2021. So if you do plan to complete the requirements necessary to sit one of the final national exams through McMaster, please be sure to contact us to review a study plan. You can learn more about affiliated professional associations and how our program is recognized by visiting our website. So there's no application required to enroll in accounting. You can simply go to our website and enroll online, so long as you meet the criteria shown here. So you must have an Ontario Secondary School diploma or equivalent, or be a mature student, or be deemed an exceptional case. Please ensure that you meet the program requirements if you are a new Canadian or an international student. And you can refer to the website for more information on this as well. In terms of career opportunities, there are many opportunities available to those who complete the accounting program, and that might include titles like bookkeeper, accounting assistant, auditing clerk, financial reporting clerk, accounting technician, accounts payable, and accounts receivable administrator. Career opportunities available to those who complete the accounting program along with their CPA designation include general accountant, management accountant, finance director, portfolio accountant, controller, financial analyst, chief financial officer, or chief executive officer, as well as auditor, senior financial auditor, management advisor, strategic management consultant, and nonprofit executive director. Each course is uniquely planned, and you can expect any combination of the following: assignments, group discussions, quizzes, exams, case studies, and research papers to assess your learning. For online self-study courses, you can expect 40% weight of your final grade to be based on assignments, and 60% will be based on a cumulative proctored final exam. Most self-study courses include instructional videos, and in some courses, we've created webinars in order to engage students with their instructors and fellow classmates. These webinars are live, but not to worry if you can't make a live session. They're recorded for you to access later. All online self-study courses include a proctored final exam that's worth 60% of your mark. It's important to note that you must pass the final exam to pass the course. You can complete your exam here in Hamilton, or if you're at a distance, at a community college or university near you, and we can arrange that with you if necessary. Learners can work according to the course schedule, submitting assignments by the specified due dates and sitting the final exam on the final course end date. For those who wish to accelerate through a self-study course, you may do so by working ahead of course due dates, submitting assignments ahead of the due date, and scheduling to sit the final exam ahead of the course end date. It's important to note that although learners can accelerate through a course, one cannot sit the final exam any earlier than 2 months after the course start date. In terms of time commitments, the program can be completed on your own schedule, either in person or online self-study. And in-person and online courses take 3 to 6 hours per week to complete over the span of 13 to 14 weeks. Online self-study courses take 9 to 12 hours per week to complete over the span of about 3 to 5 months. The biggest difference with an online self-study course is that you decide when to do the work every week, since you don't need to physically be in a classroom for those 3 hours of instruction like you would for the in-person courses. You will have due dates and timelines to follow, which are noted in the course schedule when you first log into your course for the first time. There's also the accelerated or fast track option, and this is when the diploma in accounting can be completed within 10 months in what we call our fast track format. So fast track accelerated courses meet twice per week over the course of 7 weeks. And due to the intensity of the compacted course, you can expect to spend more time per week in order to complete your courses. We typically advise to have 9 to 12 hours available. Many of our students take between 1 or 2 courses per term, and you can do this program part-time or fast track. It's really up to you and what suits your schedule. For course materials, all of our courses require a textbook or a course pack. Most course materials cost approximately $100 to $175 per course. Sometimes they're a bit more. The materials are purchased separately after you enroll and pay for a course. And materials can be purchased online at McMaster's campus store website. And you would just do a search in the textbook area to find the specific book and the cost for you. It's important to note that ebooks are not permitted in an open book exam. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks everyone for joining us, and have a great rest of your day.